Kain daw kayo.
No, hindi ko na anong napasa.
Ay, suot.
Mainiton. Naka-jacket ko. No? Pinipinit na kayo naka-jacket. Yes, yes. Please, water guys. Yuck, 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 yuck. Hi everybody. I'm here in the market. I'm not going to play much. Hello, Asnan Ali. $210, no?
Primero.
Kuya. Pero medyo dam ka na.
Hi, MJ. Dahil na pa ako ng egg. Hello, MJ. Hello, babe. Hello. Bumibili ako ng egg. I'm done. Oo, nasa palengke ako, be. Nasa palengke. Nagsha-shop. Yan na lang, be. Oo. That's mine. 210, ano, be? Oo. 210? 210? Anong ginagawa mo? MJ? Musta po? Lol. Medyo hindi pa okay. Hindi pa siya okay, be. Nag-alala nga kami kasi hindi pa nawawala yung sakit ng paa niya. Yung pamamaga. Nakauwi na rin naman siya, kaya lang under ano pa. Ito pala. Ayan. Nandito. Kulang pa yun ng 10, ano ba? Yes. 210 ba? Hindi ako nakapag-PK kagabi. Hindi na ako naglaro ng PK kagabi. Wala na, pagod na pagod. Bagsak, nakatulog na ako. Hindi na ako nakapaglaro. Mamimili lang ako. Bili ako ng ulam, chicken. Ay, tama. Thank you, Joel. Thank you so much, Joel. Long time no see, Joel. I'm here in the market. Yeah, I bought this egg, as you can see. So I'm here in the market. Thanks for the roses. Here's the market, as you can see. Our market here. Okay, I'm going to buy something. How are you, Joel? Not here. How are you, Joel?
Baka naman yun naman.
The time here is 3 in the afternoon. Here in Philippines. 3 p.m. So I'm going to buy. Oh my God! I'm going back to the 3rd floor. I'm here in the 2nd floor. Excuse me. It's a wet floor. Wet market, I mean. Excuse me po. Gurano po, digdi?
20 po, 1/4.
21/4. Pwede man sa 1/4 lang.
Pwede.
Hello, Joel. Thank you, MJ. Thank you, Beth. Thank you. Thank you. I'm going back to the 3rd floor.
Baka 30. Kaya natin.
Thank you. Thank you, Joel. Thank you for the roses. I'm not going to... Later, I'm going back to play. Last night, I didn't play because my grandmother, we brought her in at the hospital. Balik ako sa taas. I'm going back to the 3rd floor.
Sino madam? Lemon madam, Ricardo.
Now I'm going back to the 3rd floor. Salamat, be. Uwi na ako kasi baka ma-checkpoint. Baka ma-checkpoint tayo. I'm here in the third floor. Thank you for the attendance, Joel. I mean, the heart me. Ano ba ba yun? Chicken pala. No. Mistake. I'm going back to the second floor. I made mistake, so I'm going back to the second floor. Because I'm going to buy chicken. Actually, I have planned to buy chicken. So now I'm going buy chicken. Thank you guys. Taragilit na patong bago. Ning ano po, gano'n na po ang ano, ang sarong.
290 po.
Ano po sa pipi?
Yan na lang po.
110. Check naman.
Day na? Okay na po. I'm going to get my money. Thank you po. Thank you, Joel. Are you still here, Joel? Thank you, Aslan Alin. I think I'm going to buy ginilo. It's a pork ginilo. May giniling po ka mo, ma'am? Ano lang? Grano? 330. Pang ano ko man lang, pangalo lang sa ano. Pwedeng 1/4 lang. Ha? Sige, pang ano lang naman. Sige po. Hello, Rainfire. I'm here in the market. You know what? I bought 3:10 a.m. Oh, okay. In Puerto Rico. I see. In here in Philippines, 3:10 in the afternoon. Rainfire. I'm here. I'm going to buy pork. I mean, because we are going to make a macaroni soup. Macaroni soup. Yeah, for the meantime, I just only bought a small amount of medicines for my grandma. Yeah. It's very hot. I'm just only going to buy a pork, 1/4 only, 1/4. Because very expensive pork, so just only 1/4. This I bought eggs. And I bought chicken. As you can guys, see guys. How are you? Are you still here, Rainfire? MJB, welcome, Dre. Are you still here? Paano ba yung switch? Ano? Gabi naman tong filters ko. I can't really see you keep freezing. Here's the ribbon. Oh, I must need to be hurry because checkpoint. I must need to be hurry. 1/4 lang, ma'am. Pansalak man lang ka sa macaroni. Para may karakar. So I'm just going
85 po.
Last night I didn't play much last night because I feel so tired. Thank you. I must need to be hurry. Now I'm going. Okay, let's go to the second floor. I'm going to buy fish. Thank you. What's this? I'm going by to the second floor.
Amerika naman na
My goodness. Here's the wet floor, wet floor, wet floor. Grabe na ang pawis ko.
Manok.
Oh, tilapia 150. May 130 mo.
Saan po yan, ano ma'am? Ang bangus.
Ano po yan? Cardona.
Ano yun? Dahil man siya itong garoon.
Ano po yun? Dagupan. Ang pinakamasarap.
Ayo, dapog-dagupan nga eh.
Pangit dyan.
Sabay pangit. Sige po, salamat po. Pangit yun. I'm looking for... Tara, gilid na pati ang jacket ko. Wait lang. Sign po yan, ma'am, ang bang.
Tagay po. Kaya ma'am.
Ako mag-support. Baka mabasala akong bukang. What did you say? Now I can can see how are you buying some groceries. And also, yeah, I'm choosing the best one. Sign po niya.
Lagay po.
Bagay.
Abot pa lang kasi.
Hindi mo siya ano. Wait lang po. Gurano po ang ano niya.
Ano ba yung jacket?
Pareho ba siya?
Ayos talaga. Puro ka na lang.
Ayun pa. Gurano po ang ano.
Alam sa'yo mo na.
Ano pang preview? Gurano. Pareho man po siya, no? Pat-try daw. Ilang ko may... Ano ba? Gurano. 170. Sige na, pwede na. Halat lang ito, baka malakong kwarta.
Ano na yung sa'yo mo? Face na lang. Straight on pipera.
I know I saw the video. I hope she gets better. Thank you. Which one is better? Small one or big one? What do you think, guys? Kaya naman pareho magkaibang size. Siyempre magkaiba.
Ano?
But
Ano na yung 120 lang?
ay,
Alay dyan.
nagkaralayugan.
Ano yan? Pero tayo mo na eh. Ah,
Tulang na tigyan.
nataray kaya. Alam ko yan.
I'm waiting. Thank you, thank you. Hello, Renfire. Si sa kuya, yun na po yan sa kuya. Okay po. Sige na po.
Tapos ano mo? Tapos ibadiwan mo.
Thank you, MJP. Thank you. Thank you, Be, for the power hug. Grabe. Pawis na ako sa totoo lang. Tumutulog na ang pawis ko. Hello rin, Paro. Market. No, I just only want my grandmom to eat fish. Hello, senpai. Dito ako sa market, senpai. Dito ako sa market. Thank you. So, because I want my grandmother to eat at least hello, Jantabi. I'm here in the market po. Yes, because you know what? She still feel hurt. Until now, she still feel hurt. She said that she wants to give up now. She wants to give up herself. She giving up. She almost giving up. So I'm trying to give her this Because this morning she didn't eat. She never eat. So we are really worried. And we talked already, we spoke about this already to my all cousins. My mom. My mom, the one who talk in church about my grandmother. So, ano po. So, I said to them to help us here. 170 po. Thank you. Salamat po. What time is it? You know what? I must really need to going back home before for in the afternoon. We are waiting for 3:22 in the morning. Why are you still awake? Rainfire. Why are you still awake? And you too, Joel. Why are you still awake? I think the time there is what time is it? I think 3:10 a.m. You also awake, Joel. Just wake up, I see. It's very hard. Sige na. It's for my grandma. So that she can eat na. Sige na po. So that she can eat. Oh, you guys, please go back to sleep. Now I'm going home. After this, going home now. But I must need to buy a vegetable. You know what? I spent too much. Hi, beautiful. No, I'm not sleeping. I am at work. I'm at yeah. I remember. Because you said, Jewel, that you're working at night. Oh, thank you, Rainfire. Yeah, I remember, Jewel, that you said that you mentioned that you work at night. Kapot, kang plastic. Para, diba? Basa kaya. Thank you. Although expensive, but it's okay. Okay, I'm going home. So it's time to going back home. It's a wet. Hong Kong. Saro man daw ba yung kangkong ba? Ang problema, hindi ko makakuha ka ng kwarta.
Sarap.
Saro lang.
Kangkong lang, te.
Ano?
Kangkong lang po.
Yes. Salamat po. This is a kangkong. Okay. I'm done here. Really, going back home now. I'm done. We have lemon in there, so no need to buy lemon. Finish. So, you know what? The reason why I buy a bulk because I don't want to go out every day because my license is expired. Drive safe. Thank you. Be careful. Be safe on your way back home. God bless. Thank you so much. Yeah, I will. I will do. Because everyone is waiting for me. Everyone is waiting for this food. They are waiting for the... Yeah, now you guys see what it looks like, our market here, the wet market here in Philippines, especially here in my city. I always hear every time I will give you a tour, everyone.